Assalamualaikum. Our group will present about the Facilities Condition Index case study on the single-story terrace house at the Taman Klang. This is content consists of introduction, literature review, property background, methodology, and also analysis and assessment. FCI. One of the facilities management key are for performance measurement. A facility condition index (FCI) is a one tool to evaluation of assets performance, to look into the condition of the assets and its current replacement cost as to justify the current economic benefits to the organization. The main purpose of the FCI is to determine capital renewal and replacement project to reduce deferred maintenance. According to IFMA, Facility Condition Index (FCI) is expressed as a ratio of the cost of remedying existing deficiencies or requirement and capital renewal requirement to the current replacement value. According to the Nurul Wahida 2012, similar to FM, the function and ability played by a building is matched with the FM goal, which is to deliver the best service for the owner and also user. This is view of our property background, single-story terrace house at Taman Klang. Our case study focused on the single-story terrace building aged more than 10 years located at the Taman Klang. Taman Klang utama consists of the low to middle income families. Most house in Klang are link house, hence making it a low density area. Taman Klang utama is situated in Klang of Jalan Kampar, which means it is a few kilometers to Sungai Kapar Indah. Next, we continue to the property detail. This is show the location of the property, and next is the front view of the property. This house have 7x5 square built-up area, and it is freehold tenant. The sale cost is about 49,000 to 53,000. The aim of our case study is to determine the condition of single-story terrace house aged more than 10 years based on the Facilities Condition Index, and our objective is to understand what is Facilities Condition Index and CSP1 metric. Next is to learn how to use the FCI technique, and also to determine the defect of the building, and the last one is to suggest and recommend the best solution of the defect.
Okay, we continue to the method of FCI. In the method of FCI consists of two, which is deferred maintenance deficiencies and current replacement value. For the deferred maintenance deficiencies is the practice of postponing maintenance activity such as repairs on both property, example infrastructure and personal property such machineries. Deferred maintenance also total amount of existing maintenance repair and require replacement. For the current replacement value is a total expenditure in current amount required to replace any facilities. However, the value of the property or land is excluded, and insurance replacement value or book value should not be used. Okay, this is a measurement for FCI ratio, which is total of building repair, upgrade or renewal need divided by current replacement value of the building components. This formula is a ratio of repair needs to replacement value expressed in percentage term, and the lower value of FCI is a better condition of the building. This is a rating for FCI, which the higher of rating is show that FCI in a poor condition. 0 to 5 is a good condition, 5 to 10% is fair condition, and 10 to above percentage FCI in poor condition.
Now we continue to the analysis. Assessment of building consists of two, which are CSP1 metric and FCI index. As we can see, this is evaluation area in CSP1 metric. First is a condition assessment which have rating 1 to 5 condition from good to dilapidated. Second is priority assessment, consists of 4 scale value which are 1 for normal, 2 for routine, 3 for urgent, and 4 for emergency. Third is skill condition and priority, where is combination of the condition assessment and priority assessment in getting the result. This table show after we remark on each defect occur in condition assessment and priority assessment, we will get the result for metric score between 1 to 20, which expressed as a plan maintenance for 1 to 4 score, 5 to 12 score as a condition monitoring, and the last one is 30 to 20 is serious attention need. This table show the building rate, which have 3 category, which are A for good, B for fair, C for dilapidated.
Next, we continue on project condition assessment. We have list 29 defects on this case study. These are some of the defects. Example of this assessment is defect in this house is lock set, which we give remark 3 score in condition of defects, 3 for priority, and from the result of CSP metric we get 9 score, which is yellow. Yellow means that the condition of defect in fair condition. As per FCI analysis is based on the 29 defect finding. For every single defect, a solution has been proposed in order to get the costing, as shows the detail of analysis in this figure. Okay, we continue to the physical audit finding. In this table, we show that the defect rating on the percentage and rectification cost. First pie chart show the percentage for the defect rating, which is the higher percentage of defect rating is good conditions, which is green color. And the second pie chart shows the rectification cost, which is the higher rectification cost for the rating B is RM 7,500, and the lower rectification cost is 3,300 for rating A. This is a best practice for FCI, which have a 4 condition in a good condition, bad condition, poor condition, and unsatisfactory condition. Formula for facility condition index: needed repair divided by replacement value. For our case study, the FCI is 10,850 divided by 165,000, which we get the result is 6.57%. The result show that our conditions for FCI is in a good condition.
Based on our case study, we recommend that the rectification work is needed in order to protect the value and safety of the building. The rectification works can be scheduled based on their defect rating. We also recommend that the building assessment audit need to be conducted every 5 years in order to reduce the cost of rectification works. Based on the assessment, the owner did not need to demolish the houses but however need to do the rectification works. As a conclusion, Facilities Condition Index has been used to view the condition of the building. FCI is obtained by evaluate the total cost of any needed or outstanding repair, renew or upgrading requirement at the building compared to the current replacement value of building component. From the case study, the overall building for best practice of FCI show that the rating is in a good condition. That's all from us. Thank you for your attention.